Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, I have a PR package from One Day Saving. Thank you, One Day Saving, for sending me this package. I'm gonna get into the review, and if you have not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this PR package from One Day Saving. And like I said, thank you, One Day Saving, for sending me these packages to review. I'm gonna get into it because it's a little bit. So I hope everybody's doing good, and I hope y'all having a great week. Minus the people in Florida that's having the hurricane. Lord, I feel bad for y'all. Sorry y'all have to go through that. Okay, so with each diamond painting or diamond painting stickers, or you get a toolkit. It consists of a bolt, a plate of wax, and a diamond painting pen with a one placer. Normal toolkit. I got a round drill, and this is actually a sticker. Okay, this is a sticker. Ooh, I don't know how I'm gonna get it unwrinkled. Oh Lord, you know I have the struggle bus this morning. Okay, I'm gonna try. Let me try to. I'm sorry, y'all. Trying to unwrinkle it because it is a sticker. I'm gonna show y'all because it's difficult. This is a sticker of a witch and a cat on a witch on a broom and a cat and some bats and the moon. I think it's so cute. It has 8 colors. 8 colors. It has 8 colors with the DMC codes on the side. I think that's it, the DMC code. It is a sticker. Like I said, I'm not gonna unstick the sticker. I mean, it is sticky, very sticky. The drill field is clear, as y'all can see. The drill field is clear. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to see, it wants to do this. So I think I'm gonna lay it flat, like down like this. Yeah. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a witch on a broom sticker. It's a 30 by 30 centimeter. But the only part that is you can put drills on is like this portion. You cannot put drills on this portion as it's not sticky. So you can put drills on this circle. Yeah, like that. So, and it's a 30 by 30. So my guess is the square is 30 by 30. This is not actually 30 by 30. And I didn't measure it, but y'all get the picture. So it's $17.94 on their website, and everything will be linked in the description portion of this video for all these products. Like I said, it's called Witch on the Broom sticker. Well, that's what I call it. And it's $17.94. I do have a 5% discount code, so that will also be in the description portion of this video. It is a round drill, and these are the colors of the drill. Like I said, there's only 8 colors. 8 different colors. Like, obviously, we have more of one color here, but there is 8 different colors. I think it's going to be cute when it's completed. I'll just need to straighten it out first. I'm going to have to straighten it out. The drills look pretty good. They look pretty good. I never really have problems with any of these drills. So that's that one. And I'm gonna have to lay, like I said, I'm gonna have to probably lay a book or something on top of it because it's I'm gonna have to lay a book on top of it to flatten it out. And I have another one. And I didn't even know I had two, so I'm not even sure that this is. I think they sent me two by accident. And of course, I need a scissors or something. I have one of those little cutter things, but I don't know, where is that? Oh, I see it. I thought I only had one, so forgive me, y'all. It's the sticky thing staying stuck. Okay, I'm on a struggle bus for this one, y'all, but all right. This is the Halloween one. Okay, I didn't pick out this one, so I'm not sure, but this is a Happy Halloween one, and I will find it and put it in the description portion of this video. Look how cute it is, y'all. Look how cute. It's Halloween. Holy moly. I love it. It's so cute. I really want to do this. Look how cute it is. Oh my God. The drill feels clear, as y'all could see. Hopefully y'all could see that. The drill field is clear. It says Happy Halloween with a gnome. It's a pumpkin. It's got some ghosts. Oh my goodness. And a bat. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. It is a sticker. And I'm not sure. It's probably a 30 by 30. It has 20 colors, and it has the DMC codes on the side. It has 20 colors. Y'all, look how cute. It's so cute. And I'm pretty sure the sticky is good on it for the stickers. I'm sorry that it's all rolled up, but I can't do too much about that. I mean, as much as I would like to, I can't. So look how cute. Oh, it's so cute, y'all. I really like it. Like I said, I'm gonna find the link to it and put it in the description portion of the video, so y'all could see, so y'all could go check it out. So y'all go to One Day Saving and check out all these products. They really have some cute products. If you use Cajun 05 off, you get 5% off. And I'll also put that in the description portion of the video. So I'm going to put all the links, like I said, in the description portion. And it does come with a toolkit, a basic toolkit. And then it is a round drill. And let me see. Well, I was trying to take, kind of so y'all can see the colors, because it's not too bad. So they have some blacks, some purples, some oranges, you know, your basic fall colors. Reds, grays. I didn't want to take too much out because I'm never going to be able to put it back. Hope y'all can see that. Those are so cute. Yep. So it is a round drill, like I said. And 20 colors. It's not too big. And it is a sticker. And I'll link everything, like I said, to this, because I'm not sure. I don't have the description to this one. I think they just sent it extra. Because I normally don't pick out 4 items for review. But yeah, so here it is again. It's so cute. I really want to do this one for Halloween. It's so stinking cute. So stinking cute. I love it. It's cute. So that one's that, and I'll have to flatten these out. That's for sure, because they want to roll up. And next on the agenda, this is gonna be too cute. Okay, this one also you get a toolkit, a basic toolkit. This one comes with baggies, zip baggies. A boat, a plate of wax, and a pen, and some zip baggies. Yeah. So we got that. You guys are gonna love this. You're gonna love it. Oh my God. I was so excited to get this. Oh my gosh. Well, I didn't know what it was. I knew what it was because I chose it. But I chose it for a reason. So this is a round drill, and this is a 6-piece sweater keychain set, and excuse me, it's $6.86 on their website. So look, y'all. Oh my God. Excuse me. Look at this. Both sides. You can do both sides. And it comes with the all the keychain hooks and stuff as well. Oops. So it comes with everything you need for the keychains. Look at this one. And it's on, you can diamond paint it on both sides. They put the drills on both sides. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all really want to do one of these and put it on my keychain. And they have this one. So stinking cute. Oh my goodness. The drill field is clear on all of these, y'all. So cute. So cute. I love them. Y'all know that's going to be cute. So cute. The gingerbread man. And like I said, you can do them on both sides. So stinking cute. That's another good project. And the drills or the rhinestones, these types of rhinestones. So they're like really colorful. Really colorful rhinestones. Look, they're gonna be so cute. You know, you got your normal golds and your reds and your greens, and then you got the clear. So stinking cute. This is gonna be so cute. I'm gonna lay some of these things on top of there to flatten them up. And we have one more item, y'all. And I didn't know this, but I didn't realize I ordered this twice. But it's okay. I'll maybe put it in a package for somebody that either buys a cup or a package I'm giving away, or for a giveaway or something. And it comes with a toolkit, basic toolkit. It is a round drill. It's 18 by 18 centimeter. And it's $3.56. And it's a rhinestone drilled owl. And I know y'all saw this one before. I guess I liked it so much I got two by mistake. Okay. So there's that. I just liked it. Okay. It's so cute. It is so cute. The colors are cute. The drill field is clear, as y'all can see. Like I said, it's a 18 by 18 centimeter. So really cute. The stick is good on this, I'm pretty sure. I'm about to find out. So stickiness is good. So stinking cute. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute. If y'all like owls, y'all gonna like this. And like I said, it's $3.56 on their website. And I do have a discount code, Cajun05 off. No, yeah, Cajun05 off, and I'll put that in the description portion of this video. So y'all go check them out. Order something, get 5% off. I mean, I don't get any kickback from it, but it's okay. Y'all get y'all a little discount. So these are the drills for it, and y'all can see they're like all color drills. They have some big ones here. So they have some pink. I'm gonna open it up because they have some cute. Let me open it. Just look at these drills. Some red, gold. They have pink. I think I'll be able to put these back. Looks cute. This is going to be so cute. So those are some of the drills for this diamond painting. And like I said, it is rhinestones. It's the rhinestones. So yeah, so cute. I really like these. Obviously, because I ordered two. See if I can get it back in the bag. And oh my gosh, that's why I don't like to take them out, because I don't want to lose them. So yeah, so here it is again. It's so cute. I love all these colors. I like the pinks and the reds and the blues. It's gonna be really cute when it's done. I really want to do it because I've never done a whole paint of rhinestone painting before, diamond painting before. I've only done partial ones or keychains, and I want to do this. So cute. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Y'all go check out One Day Saving. They have a lot of products on their website. I'll link everything in the description portion of this video. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.